Need to restore a deleted or old video from WhatsApp on your iPhone? It could have been removed accidentally or lost over time. Well, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to restore deleted or old videos from WhatsApp. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Check WhatsApp storage and data. Go to the WhatsApp. Next, tap on the settings icon below. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Storage and Data. Now tap Manage Storage. After that, scroll down and find the sender. Tap on the sender's name. Here, you will find the image you are looking for. Method 2. Restore your WhatsApp chat data. If you backed up your WhatsApp chat before deleting the videos, then uninstall your WhatsApp app. Then install it from the App Store. Sign up your WhatsApp account using the same phone number. After signing up your phone number, tap Restore. It will start to restore your WhatsApp chat data. After restoring, tap Next. Tap Continue. Select all contacts. Set your profile name if needed. Then tap Done. Now you will find your deleted videos in your chat. Save the videos again. In this way, you can restore a deleted or old video from WhatsApp on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions, then please write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.